Imagine pulling up to the green, only to realize your golf cart's charger cable is frayed or just plain missing. The JOEEGO charging power cord assembly steps in, promising a robust, OEM-spec replacement that could be the ultimate lifeline for your Evolution EV. This isn't just any old cable. It's a heavy-duty, 10-foot orange powerhouse designed to get your 48V cart back in action. Right out of the box, you notice the substantial feel of the thicker wire gauge, a clear nod to its OEM specifications. It's built to handle a solid 30 amps, ready for your standard 120-volt wall outlet, ensuring a reliable charge every time. While it doesn't carry a UL listing, its robust construction and the promise of high-quality components certainly inspire confidence in its durability and performance. Compatibility is where this JOEEGO cord truly shines, or perhaps, where you need to pay close attention. It's a fantastic fit for a vast array of Evolution EV models, covering everything from the D2, D3, D5, and D-Max, to the Classic, Carrier, Forester, Turfman, Ranger, Maverick, and even the XD and GT series across all year models. Beyond Evolution, it extends its utility to advanced EV, Gorilla Rides G Series, and Venom D Series golf carts. However, a crucial detail for owners of specific models: if you have an E20, E40, E40L, E60, E60L, or any Pure Series cart, this cord won't be compatible. It does, however, work with the E40FX, E20FX, and E60FX, and many I-Series and C-Series models before 2025. So, a quick double-check of your specific model number against the OEM part number 2040620 is always a smart move to ensure a perfect match. The male-to-female connector design is straightforward, making it easy to plug in and get charging. And for those already using JOEEGO charger receptacles, this cord integrates seamlessly, even supporting their auto shutoff feature for added convenience and safety. It's designed to be easy to use, which is exactly what you want when you're just trying to power up and go. The vibrant orange color isn't just for aesthetics. It makes the 10-foot length easily visible, reducing trip hazards in your garage or charging area. Overall, the JOEEGO charging power cord assembly presents itself as a formidable replacement option. It feels well-made, offers impressive compatibility for many popular golf cart brands, and delivers on its promise of heavy-duty, OEM-spec performance. If you're in need of a reliable, robust charging solution for your compatible golf cart, this orange powerhouse is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.